After news broke about sexual harassment allegations against Kentucky House Speaker Jeff Hoover, many wondered if he would stay in his high-profile position. Today, Republicans met in Frankfort where the reports were discussed. And LAX18's Carolina Buchek has the latest.
As the House Republicans gathered in Frankfort today, House Speaker Jeff Hoover was seen walking into the meeting. About 3 hours later, lawmakers said he will keep his position despite facing sexual harassment allegations.
As we leave this caucus today, he has the full support of this caucus right now. He has the confidence moving forward to lead our caucus.
Earlier this week, tweets from a parody account broke news of a secret settlement between Hoover and a member of his staff. The account alleges Hoover sexually harassed a woman who works on his legislative team. Then, a report from the Courier-Journal revealed the newspaper had copies of suggestive texts like these that date all the way back to March of 2016. Hoover, who lawmakers say was in a meeting, didn't address reporters today, but the House Majority Floor Leader says there was no vote to remove Hoover from his position.
There is support in this caucus for him moving forward to lead this caucus.
The House Majority Floor Leader said the caucus didn't even address the allegations directly.
We addressed the media, the story that came out, the embarrassments that it's caused, but as far as addressing any rumors and allegations, we did not.
Covering the news in Frankfort,